So the crypto market is very volatile today. It has been down as of the recording of this video. It's been down over 6%, this number right here. And the overall crypto market capitalization has dropped as low as 3,120,000,000,000 and change. And we've since clawed back about 80 billion of that. And again, we've come back about 3% as far as that. So the fear out there is crypto going to crash and move down and take XRP with it, which is why I titled the video as such. Again, XRP really does a good job of not being as volatile as the rest of the overall market. You can see the low for XRP in the last 24 hours has been $2.34, and it's really kind of in the middle of that range, 234 to 256. Whereas we've seen Bitcoin in the last cycle here, it's right now trading at 92,000 and change, move all the way down to 89,000, which was a pretty big deal, dropping below that $90,000 range. And I think that fear of, what is going on and why is Bitcoin down? Why is the market down? Is this the beginning of some type of a crash scenario? Is this lingering narrative and kind of plague? And I really am choosing that word specifically on the psyche, the consciousness of us as crypto investors. I think that we are, we've come through some really tough times, 2022, all the way really to for a lot of 2024 has been overall not really very good times in crypto. If you've been here, you know what I'm talking about. And there is that fear and uncertainty and doubt that it's always going to, the other shoe's going to fall and that it's going to fall apart tomorrow. I don't believe that it's going to fall apart tomorrow, but do I believe that we could see some more risks, some more move down, and where we see the overall crypto market move down, where we see Bitcoin maybe go to 76,000 and change? Yeah, that is true. Bitcoin is actually from a technical analysis standpoint, a TA standpoint, showing some analysis, that it could dip below 80,000. Okay, if that happens, XRP is going to probably get pulled below $2. If that happens, I'm buying XRP. I'm buying Bitcoin. I'm buying, because I believe fundamentally in one thing. I believe that number, the overall crypto market, 3,200,000,000,000 and change, even if it drops below 3 trillion, it's still going to bounce back and it's going to get bigger. Crypto is not going anywhere. It is not going to happen. We got a lot of fear and uncertainty and doubt in the market, continuing the plague narrative. And I'm really using that word today. I don't know why that word's stuck in my brain, but the word plague, it just really feels like it, because of the continued fear around the Federal Reserve interest rate cuts and continued, just the inflation. And it's frustrating, right? And here's a really good paragraph that I think sums up everything. So what's going on here is that and this does impact XRP, right? Impacts us as XRP holders. What's going on here is that as the Federal Reserve looks out and says, and I'm quoting, "We are going to keep interest rates higher for longer." The problem with that is that keeping those interest rates higher for longer, that crypto investors and quite frankly, stock investors, they start to look at lower risk assets like the US Treasury bonds, and they want to hold those instead of investing in, quote, riskier assets like crypto and stocks. Thus, crypto and stocks, the price tends to decline. It doesn't mean that they're never going to come back and invest in those assets, crypto, stock, etc. It just means that their appetite for risk has gone down and they want to hold more conservative assets, less risky, like the US Treasury bonds. That's really what it comes down to. So in that, we continue to fight this ongoing battle against the fear, uncertainty, doubt around inflation and the overriding narrative that says, hey, we don't really want to invest so much in crypto. And then you also get that other factor that comes in, which is my biggest fear, is that is that people will start to, there will literally be kind of a run on crypto. People will start to get so fearful that they'll pull money and it will continue to drop it out. I mean, there are millions and millions and millions of investors in crypto across the world. And quite frankly, they're pretty easily spooked. Okay. And with that, though, XRP has held up extremely well in light of what's going on the larger, on the larger financial stage. But I view any pullback as an opportunity. That's really who I am. I'm a glass half full kind of guy, right? And so, is the crypto market about to crash? I don't think so. Is it about to go down a little bit more and pull XRP down with it a little bit? Yeah, that's a possibility. But I will bring you back to one thing. And again, we don't really know what we don't know right this minute. We got Trump taking office in 7 days. Is that one event, him moving into place, into the presidency, enough to wipe the slate clean? Quite possibly, because people will be focused on that, and they'll focus on everything he's going to do. They'll focus on, we as crypto investors will focus on his crypto initiatives, and kind of all will be forgiven, if you will, for the short term, and people will forget about this inflation stuff. Food for thought, right? All right. I don't have an answer for you. I don't think we're going to see a crash. I really don't. I think we could see a pull down. I think we could see a move down where XRP maybe drops below that $2 range. If it does, I'm definitely buying more. All right. See you.